Hi, my name's Alyssa from Reselling Savvy. I got a host pick last night on Poshmark, and I wanted to take a moment and review what that's done for my closet, what it's done for my sales, and how host picks have affected my sales in the past. Here is my item that was chosen as a host pick in last night's party. I found out that it had been chosen because I got a notification on my phone saying that somebody commented on one of my listings on Poshmark and it said, "Congratulations on your house pick." Then I think 9 other people or something like that commented, "Congratulations on your house pick." So what does this mean for you as a seller? To put it kindly, pretty much nothing. It got a lot of shares to my listing, a lot of shares. But I got 0 likes and 0 offers on this item. Nobody commented on it asking for more information or looking to buy it. All of the comments were people who were congratulating me on the host pick. Every item I have had that has gotten a host pick has sold completely independent of the host pick. They don't really matter. I tried hosting a party once and I would consider doing it again. It brings a lot of traffic to your page right before the party because people are trying to get their items as host picks, so they come to your page. But it doesn't really do anything because most shoppers are looking for specific items or a specific type of items, and they're not going through the host picks page because there isn't really a rhyme or reason to what the host pick is. It's supposed to fit in the theme of the party, but there's no sizing specifications or anything like that. So, for instance, this dress is an extra small petite. I am not extra small nor petite. So for this to be in the host picks doesn't do anything for me because it's not my size. So that's what host picks do for you, is it drives a little bit of traffic, but overall it's not anything revolutionary. So it is polite to thank the host for giving you the host pick. And if you'd like to acknowledge every comment that was on your listing, you're welcome to do so. But overall, it's just a social feature that Poshmark has, and I have seen 0 impact on my sales from it. So let me know. Have you seen any success from getting a host pick? Did it make a difference? Did your item sell? I would love to hear about it. Have an awesome day, and I'm wishing you many sales.